Hello, welcome to this video. So today I want to upgrade my printer with the Revo hot end. I have the Prusa Mini kit and the starter pack. I have the tutorial there, so I'm gonna just upgrade. I'm not gonna film everything, just portion along the way. So let's get started. So this is what we have in the box. We have the printed part, which also has the supports on it. I don't know why they didn't take that off in the factory, but okay. I prepare my printer and I have the instructions on. So I'm gonna get started on this. So I managed to get the support off, it was very easy. And I disassembled some part of the printer. And I still have a problem in the printer, that's why I'm doing this upgrade with this guy, with the thermistor. So when I disassemble it, it basically come out of this hole. And I noticed that the cable is frayed over here. I don't think you can see that, but it is frayed. So I think I routed it through here, which basically destroyed this cable and this thermistor. So yeah, but hopefully with the new hot end I will not have this kind of weak wires problem. But yeah, the print head is pretty, I know, dirty. Yeah, need to replace this. I put the hot end. I just need to do the wiring and take out the old wires. I also wanted to do this upgrade that replaces this part here, so I don't have to cut the existing PTFE tube. But I need to print a new part and my printer is not working. I have here all the necessary hardware for that upgrade, but I'm just gonna have to cut this tube. I cannot print that part. So that's that. I'm just gonna cut it. And it's done. There are some wires hanging here, but I can't get them in the sleeve. They are just too big with these connectors. But it looks alright so far. The hardest part was just to get this electronics box open and just wire everything through this sleeve. It's always difficult to route things with this sleeve. But what's worse is gone, I hope. I'm just gonna fire it up and hope it still works. It's the next day and I put the printer in this hole, in this enclosure, and I printed up a few stuff with the new hot end. The first, and everything prints okay, but there are a few problems. So this 3D bench is printed with input shaping on, and as you can see it has some artifacts. So it wants to focus. This part should be straight, but it's not, it's quite warped. So I deactivated simple shaping, printed it again, and the second time everything is fine. This part is straight and it has no more artifacts, which is great. That means that I don't have input shaping on this machine because the hot end does not have an accelerometer, and there are just some predefined values for it, but that's fine. It just means that the prints will be a bit longer. And one other thing I had problem with was in this 3D printed part, which is not stock. I replaced it because I wanted to have like 90 degrees handle, because I have this thing in the enclosure. I had a problem not with that part, but with this one. So this is what I initially printed, and the issue is like that this part raised up. I don't know why, I guess warping issues. And the issue was that it was colliding with this part on the printer. So yeah, I printed a new design. That one is a lot better. It also has like a tie to hold the cables. And yeah, I actually had to, when this part was here, I had to push it. So the bed leveling sequence was passing through. So doing bed leveling, the print head was going like this, and I had to push it and stop it from colliding, which was fun, very fun. But yeah, sorry that thing out. I have also tried to print with ASA, but I didn't have any much success. So this part is printed in ASA and everything looks fine. But if you can see here, this part is, well, it should be like a 10mm hole, but it's not. And the print part lifted of the print bed. So here you see in this corner lifted. Yeah, I need to learn more about ASA, what I need to configure it to print properly. But I don't have some PTG because I want to print this part. This is an upgrade to this one, to the bottom tube. I have here the replacement, and I want to basically put the bottom tube a bit longer since it's kind of stretching now. It's at its limit when it's far left. But yeah, I need to do that. And I want to print it in ASA because I don't have any PTG. And I also have the 0.25mm nozzle there. And I want to test, I don't know, printing some minis. This is printed with 0.4 and I'm gonna print with 0.25. But yeah, that's it. I'll call the upgrade a success. And that's in the next one.